Hey, good afternoon, everyone. This is Brian Kelly again from the Prosperity Home Network. How do you guys like my dog here? Well, it's not my real dog. It's kind of a fake dog. I'm gonna pet him on the head here. Isn't that cool? He's not. He's got a really tough expression there, but that's all right. But anyway, I wanted to do a quick video for you. I am again from the Prosperity Home Network Business Opportunity Program. This is a great, fantastic, super fantastic program that is making not just me, but a lot of people all around the nation and even Canada significant amounts of money. All right. If you're looking for something to make you an additional $500 to $1,000 per week, all right, then this is without a doubt something that can definitely do that for you. Now, you don't have to do any talking. You don't have to do any explaining. You don't have to do anything at all. This flyer right here, this flyer does it all for you. As you can see here, the owner handles all phone calls, no selling, no meetings or explaining, unlimited income opportunity. You know, your payments go straight to you. You know, there's no middleman. People will send you money via Cash App, via Walmart to Walmart, second day prior email, however you want the money to come, you know, then you definitely, just all you got to do is tell him how you want it, and then he'll set up a flyer specifically for you, okay? And of course, you probably don't know what this is all about, so what I would recommend you do is to call this number right here. This number is a 24-hour recorded overview, all right, 858-901-4066. It's 7 minutes long. It's Bruce. He's the owner. He's talking about how the program works and what it's all about. You can use that as a sales tool for, you know, whenever you're promoting this program and once you decide to join the program. And so this is a really good flyer. There's two parts to it, the front and the back. I don't have the back right now, but you know, you can get this flyer. But here's the deal. I'm not sending this flyer to you. I mean, I'm absolutely positively not going to send this flyer to you. Okay. All right, now, if you want this flyer, which you need to have to read the back part of it, which is the most important part, is if you want this flyer, then what you have to do is something very simple. You have got to contact this person right here, okay? KellyRenee12@gmail.com. It's KellyRenee12@gmail.com, okay? She's a really nice person. Just getting started, and I need you to help her out here, okay? I need for you, don't contact me and don't ask me to send you the flyer because I'm not going to do it, okay? The only way that you are going to be able to get this flyer in your hands, all right, for this video right here, is you've got to contact KellyRenee12@gmail.com. Once you send your email address to her, what she's going to do is turn around and she's going to send this flyer with the back part of it and the front part of it directly to your email address. Now, once you get that, what I want you to do is read it over, call the number, listen to the number, and then if you have any questions, of course, you don't have to call Kelly. You don't have to call me. All you have to do is call the owner, text the owner, email the owner. It's a really great system because there's no selling, there's no talking, there's no explaining. This flyer does the selling for you. This flyer does the talking and convincing for you. But again, the only way you can get this flyer is very simple. All right, you got to contact KellyRenee12@gmail.com. KellyRenee12@gmail.com. Once you do that, like I said, she's going to go ahead and send that email, flyer over to you right away, and then you can go ahead and get started. Okay? So, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.